In this video, we will be looking at the use of VEST. The VEST airway clearance system acts by delivering a high-frequency oscillating chest wall, which provide effective airway clearance therapy. The VEST connects to programmable air pulse generator, which rapidly inflates and deflates the VEST. This dislodges mucus from the bronchial walls and helps move secretions and mucus from smaller to larger airways, where it can be coughed or suctioned out. It consists of several components: A. Optional remote control port. B. Easy-to-read display screen. C. Air hose connection ports. D. Frequency or hertz. E. Pressure. And F. Time. Treatment sessions are 2 times daily in the morning and evening, with a time duration of 10 minutes per round for a total of 30 minutes per session as tolerated. There are 3 rounds per treatment session to remember. First round, you should take your bronchodilator treatment either by MDI or small volume nebulizer, followed by hypertonic saline with small volume nebulizer. Then you will use the VEST. To use the VEST simply, sit upright, hook the machine up, put the VEST on and buckle it. Then you should attach the air hoses to the connector ports on the air pulse generator and to your VEST. Adjust the frequency and pressure to the level the doctor has ordered. Start with the lower frequency and higher pressure. Then decrease pressure by 1 and increase frequency by 2 per round as tolerated. Set the timer 10 minutes per round. Push the power button on. After 10 minutes, do 2 to 3 huff coughs to get rid of mucus. Second round. For it to be effective, take Pulmozyme once daily using a recommended nebulizer such as peri-nebulizer via mouthpiece or face mask for kids who are younger than 5 years old. It should be delivered in the second round, either in the morning or evening sessions at a minimum of 30 minutes before using the VEST due to mechanism of action. Then put the VEST on and adjust the settings by increasing the frequency by 2 and decrease the pressure by 1 from your initial settings as tolerated for 10 minutes. After that, do 2 to 3 huff coughs. Third round. Put the VEST on. Adjust the settings again by increasing the frequency by 2 and decrease the pressure by 1 from your second round settings as tolerated for 10 minutes. Then do 2 to 3 huff coughs. After using the VEST and once the lungs are cleared of as much mucus as possible, take your inhaled corticosteroids, if has been prescribed using MDI or small volume nebulizer. After that, take your inhaled antibiotics, such as Toby or colistin, or any type if it has been prescribed by your doctor, using a peri-nebulizer or podhaler. This will allow the medications to reach deeply into the smaller airways to attack bacteria. You will perform the same aerosol treatment regimen with the 3 rounds in night session. The acapella can be used in between sessions as alternative treatment when not at home, for example when you are at school due to its portability. These sequences of medications work with all airway clearance techniques models.